मॉर्निंग वेस्टीज, गुड मॉर्निंग लेडीज एंड जेंटलमैन। आज के इस बहुत ही एक्साइटिंग सेशन में आपका स्वागत है। ब्यूटी एंड केयर सेशन जो है लाइव डायरेक्ट फ्रॉम द हेड ऑफिस एंड माई सेल्फ अर्चना राम, ब्रांड मैनेजर ऑफ मिस्ट्रल ऑफ मिलान। इस हेड ऑफिस में लाइव शो है आपके लिए ब्यूटी एंड केयर का। पाप के लिए बहुत ही खास मेहमान बुलाया है एंड शी इज अ सेलिब्रिटी डर्मेटोलॉजिस्ट एंड वो हमें ज्वाइन करेंगी लाइव फ्रॉम मुंबई। एंड यस, डेफिनेटली आपने पहचान लिया होगा, आई एम लाइव फ्रॉम हेड ऑफिस एंड वेस्टीज के सभी लोग बहुत खुश हो गए होंगे अपना हेड ऑफिस देख के, क्योंकि काफी दिनों से आप हेड ऑफिस नहीं देख पा रहे होंगे बिकॉज ऑफ द करंट सिचुएशन। बट आज के इस सेशन में ब्यूटी एंड केयर वी आर कमिंग लाइव फ्रॉम द हेड ऑफिस एंड आप आज के मेहमान के बारे में थोड़ा बहुत तो जानते होंगे बिकॉज हमने काफी सारी इंफॉर्मेशन, काफी सारे पोस्टर्स सर्कुलेट करे हैं आज के इस खास दिन के लिए। सो आज के ब्यूटी एंड केयर सेशन में हमारे साथ है डॉक्टर ज्योति अनेजा और इनके बारे में क्या कहूं, इनके नाम के साथ जुड़ी हुई है काफी सारी बातें एंड उनमें से कुछ है कि ये एक सेलिब्रिटी डर्मेटोलॉजिस्ट है और एक एस्थेटिक एक्सपर्ट है, हेयर ट्रांसप्लांट सर्जन भी है और साथ ही साथ लाइफ कोच भी है। और शी इज अ मेडिकल डायरेक्टर एंड चीफ एट लाग्रे स्किन क्लिनिक and a visiting consultant at Nanavati Super Speciality Hospital. Yeah, it's a big hospital. And उसके साथ साथ यही बात नहीं खत्म होती, इनके नाम के साथ जुड़ी हुई है नेशनल ट्रेनर ऑफ एलर्जिन मेडिकल अकेडमी and she has represented India as a speaker at different forums all over the world. जहां पे भी इन्होंने इनके फोरम्स हुए हैं, शी हैज रिप्रेजेंटेड इंडिया ओवर देयर एंड शी इज टू टॉप इट ऑल, शी रेगुलरली फीचर्स इन टॉप नॉच मैगजीन्स एंड शी हैज मेड इट टू द फोर्ब्स लिस्ट ऑफ सेल्फ मेड वुमेन। सो इतना ही नहीं, ये हमारे साथ में डॉक्टर ज्योति अनेजा है एंड शी इज अ वेरी स्ट्रांग पर्सनैलिटी, वेरी वेरी ब्यूटिफुल लेडी विद अस फॉर दिस स्पेशल सेशन। सो लेट्स वेलकम वेरी ब्यूटिफुल, वेरी टैलेंटेड and expert in dermatology and aesthetics, Dr. Jyoti Aneja. And Dr. Aneja, I definitely am going to ask you, why are you so beautiful? As in,
I'm allowed to talk, Archana. Thank you so much. I'm super humbled for this lovely introduction. I don't think I deserve all of this. And yeah, I was awkward beyond a point because this went too long and I was like, okay, I need her to stop right now. Thank you so much for giving me this opportunity to have me with you all here. I've been a part of the Vestige family for many years now, from actually the beginning of my career, if I may say so. And it's a huge, huge privilege and an honor to be back with you all and to be able to help you people with my experience and expertise. Thank you for having me.
थैंक यू सो मच फॉर गिविंग अस टाइम डॉक्टर ज्योति। एंड आज हम लोग बात करना चाहते हैं कुछ ब्यूटी एंड केयर के बारे में। सो आज हमने ये जो प्लेटफॉर्म क्रिएट किया है ब्यूटी एंड केयर, इसमें दो शब्द मिले हुए हैं, ब्यूटी एंड केयर, एंड दोनों हैंड इन हैंड एक दूसरे से जुड़े हुए हैं, क्योंकि बिना ब्यूटी के आप केयर नहीं कर सकते और बिना केयर के ब्यूटी नहीं हो सकती। सो ब्यूटी एंड केयर इज अ मस्ट फॉर एवरी पर्सन हु वांट्स टू लुक एंड फील ब्यूटीफुल। सो यही मानते हुए आज मिस्ट्रल ऑफ मिलान SF9 फ्रॉम द हाउस ऑफ वेस्टीज आपके लिए लाए हैं ब्यूटी एंड केयर का सेशन, और आज का सेशन डेडिकेटेड है स्किन फॉर्मूला 9। ब्यूटी एंड केयर इज टुडेज powered by SF9, Skin Formula 9, and we will be talking about more of skin health today. And Skin Formula 9 हमें कैसे हेल्प कर सकता है अपनी स्किन की केयर करने में। सो अगर मैं स्किन फॉर्मूला 9 के बारे में कुछ बातें कहूं तो इट इज एन एडवांस्ड फॉर्मुलेशन जो फोकस्ड ट्रीटमेंट बेस्ड है और बहुत ही ज्यादा फंक्शनली बेनिफिट करता है स्किन को और रेडिएंट कंप्लेक्शन और फ्लॉलेस स्किन दे सकता है बिकॉज द फॉर्मुलेशन इज एडवांस साइंटिफिक फॉर्मुलेशन एंड फॉर्मुलेटेड इन स्विस लेबोरेटरीज. सो ये तो रही इंट्रोडक्शन थोड़ी सी SF9 की, स्किन फॉर्मूला 9 की. बट हमारे काफी सारे जो ऑडियंस हैं वो स्किन हेल्थ के बारे में बहुत सारी बातें जानना चाहते हैं. सो शुरू करते हैं हमारी स्किन को हम कैसे समझे. सो डॉक्टर ज्योति, ओवर टू यू. एंड हम लोग, बहुत सारे लोग ये हमेशा मुश्किल में रहते हैं कि हमारी स्किन टाइप क्या है, हमारा स्किन स्ट्रक्चर कैसा है, और हमेशा क्वेश्चंस रहते हैं कि हम कैसे इसकी देखभाल करें. तो इसके बारे में आप हमें क्या टिप्स देना चाहेंगे?
Absolutely. So to get started, Archana, I think you spoke beautifully about Skin Formula 9 and it's a lovely range that we have. And before we get into the details of the range, for all you beautiful people listening to us today, thoda sa limitation hai because, you know, we are technologically a little challenged in these times and we are recording from our respective places. I wish it was a live session like a normal Vestige and Skin Formula 9 sessions when I could ask you this question and you people could tell me who wants to look good. When I ask you this question, who wants to look good, I don't think कोई भी हाथ ऐसा है जो नीचे रहेगा. Each one of us wants to look good. Each one of us wants to be the best version of themselves, right? So we want to just be our own kind of beautiful, you know. So any person who walks into my clinic, I always tell them that you're beautiful. First of all, acknowledge that. And then we move from there. And then you've come to me to become a superior version from what you entered. So, you know, I want you to leave a better person, a better individual, a better looking version of yourself, right? So, having said that, the most common confusion, like you rightly said, is कि हमारी स्किन क्या है, हमारी स्किन कैसी दिखती है, हमारा स्किन टाइप क्या है, हम क्या प्रोडक्ट यूज कर सकते हैं, क्या ये प्रोडक्ट मेरे लिए बना है, ये प्रोडक्ट ज्यादा एक्सपेंसिव है तो क्या है, जल्दी रिजल्ट देगा. सो आई विल जस्ट ट्राई एंड डीमिस्टिफाई दीज थिंग्स फॉर यू अ लिटिल टुडे टू मेक यू ऑल अंडरस्टैंड कि हमारी स्किन क्या है, हम क्या यूज कर सकते हैं, क्या सेफ है, क्या गुड है, क्या रेकमेंडेड है, राइट? सो I think you will agree with me on this, Archana. Your skin reflects your mood, your physical state, and your attraction quotient. No matter what you say, like the moment you look at me, like I'm looking at you right now, you're looking so pretty on the screen, and I want to talk to you. You know, so your skin is your first interface with any person that you're meeting, right? Having said that, it is an organ. Organ, जब हम बोलते हैं, half the world does not even recognize skin as an organ, but skin is the largest organ of your body. So, you know, the moment something goes wrong with all our other organs, like हमें कोई heart issue हो जाता है, kidney issue हो जाता है, lung problem हो जाती है, suddenly it becomes a big deal. You know, see, you want to go to a doctor, you want to take advice from a second doctor, you always want an opinion, and you always want कि I don't know अब ये कैसे ठीक होगा. Suddenly people start calling you, and you know you feel कि मैं बीमार हूँ. But the moment something goes wrong with your skin, we take it, you know, for granted for a very long time. जब तक वो दिखने नहीं लगता, जब तक वो हमारी पर्सनालिटी को, हमारे लाइफस्टाइल को अफेक्ट नहीं करने लगता, जब तक हम उसे कंसील कर सकते हैं, यू नो, लॉन्ग स्लीव्स पहन के, हाई नेक्स पहन के, वी ट्राई टू, यू नो, जस्ट दबाओ इट. एंड देन इट रीचेस अ पॉइंट वेयर अ वेरी क्लोज वेल मीनिंग फ्रेंड विल कम एंड आस्क यू, ये क्या हो गया, व्हाई इज योर स्किन लुकिंग लाइक दिस? एंड देन यू फील, आई थिंक अभी मुझे हेल्प की जरूरत है. राइट? सो मैं इतनी सारी बातें इसलिए कर रही हूँ बिकॉज दीज आर द मोस्ट कॉमन थिंग्स दैट कम टू माई प्रैक्टिस व्हेन अ पेशेंट कम्स टू मी डिस्ट्रेस्ड, जहां कोई इशू बहुत बड़ा नहीं होता, बट जो वेट पीरियड होता है फ्रॉम द टाइम दैट यू डिस्कवर्ड दैट योर स्किन हैड अ प्रॉब्लम till the time you reach your doctor, that waiting period, that lag period is very long, right? So having said that, like I said, you know, your skin is an armor, like, you know, when you're going for a war, you wear an armor. So you're wearing your skin like an armor all the time, and it is wrapping and protecting everything that it conceals. So जो भी हमारी बॉडी के अंदर है, eventually उसकी गिफ्ट रैपिंग, उसकी पैकेजिंग वो हमारी स्किन की है. एंड व्हाट डज इट डू, what is the function of our skin? Does skin have a function? या सिर्फ देखने की चीज है, देखने में अच्छी लगनी चाहिए? So basically your skin provides you insulation. सबसे important part, like we said, you know, it's wrapping you, so it's providing you insulation, it's protecting you from all the germs around that there are, you know, because the moment you feel कि कुछ गंदा हो गया, कुछ लग गया, you go stand under the shower, you'll be clean again, right? You don't have to do anything else more than that. It regulates your body temperature. Most importantly, because your skin has sweat glands, sebaceous glands, it regulates your body temperature. It prevents excessive water loss. So when you're exercising, you're sweating. When you go to a higher altitude, when you're in the mountains, your skin goes dry, you're shivering because it's trying to contain the moisture inside. And सबसे important part, when we talk about a sense organ. So your skin is the sense organ that allows you to sense everything from danger to love. The moment somebody touches you, you know this feeling. You know that
This
this.
is very interesting. I never thought that skin could be the first thing to notice love and danger.
Imagine,
Whenever we do that.
even with our young children, do we not tell them about good touch and bad touch? So,
Yes.
so touch is skin, right? The moment somebody
Yes.
touches you, you know what that person means. You want to hug a person, or you want to just go away from that person. When you're shaking hands with somebody, you know the attitude and the character of the person on the other side. So it's as important as that. So having said that, ये थोड़ा सा बेसिक है हमारे स्किन के बारे में, बिकॉज कई बार ऐसा लगता है स्किन की केयर जरूरी भी है. So a lot of us take it for granted कि ये तो genetically my mother had bad skin, I will have bad skin. My grandmother had great skin, मेरी skin को तो कुछ हो ही नहीं सकता. So a lot of us take this thing for granted, but let's understand your genetic makeup is responsible for 50% of your looks. The remaining 50% is the environment that you live in, the stress that you go through, the diet that you're eating, the lifestyle that you're leading, the pollutants that you're exposed to, the chemicals that you're using on your skin, the sleep cycle that you have, and everything that you're eating, how mindful you are of your own body. So that's why I said, your skin can reflect your mood, your physical and state, the state your body is in, the mechanical state of your body, and that's how it makes you look dull or it makes you look attractive.
Right, right. So when you are talking about, what we do to take care of our skin, so how does eating healthy or maybe having some kind of diet help with your skin, because a lot of people say that what you put in your body will reflect, it will reflect on your skin. So, for example, diet, I'm talking about diet, or so many external factors, like you mentioned that 50% is the way we take care of our skin. So all these 50%, how are we going to take care of our skin in terms of there is much of pollution, we do not follow any good diet, or maybe we are so stressed, there is sun exposure, there is humidity, there is heat, so many things to fight, fight against. So how do we take care of that? So do we succumb to these things, or can we do anything about it to protect our skin?
I will first answer the question that you asked me before. How does one understand what is my skin type? Right? So,
Yes.
पहले हम बात करते हैं skin type की. Now, half of our population, even our listeners for that matter, for the longest time, even me, and we did not know what our skin type was. जिस product की हम television में ad देखते थे, हमें लगता था, okay, this actress is promoting it, she's looking so gorgeous, so I think मुझे भी ये product use करना चाहिए, not realizing कि actually क्या वो इंसान उस product को use भी करता होगा कभी. You know what I'm saying? So it's very important to understand there is no one size fits all in most of the cases. Each person, every skin type is individual. So basically on the offset, we have 4 different types of skin. First, we'll start with the normal. A normal skin is, और आपको पता कैसे चलेगा, एक बहुत सिंपल सा टेस्ट मैं बताती हूँ जो हम सब अपने घर पे कर सकते हैं. Just use a mild soap-free cleanser after your long day at work, or even when you wake up first thing in the morning. Just wash your face with cold water and a mild soap-free cleanser. Just pat dry it, or don't dry it at all. Leave it for half an hour. अब उसको आधे घंटे के लिए छोड़ दो ऐसे ही. So the moment you let that half an hour mark pass, if your skin feels soft, supple, it does not feel taut, it does not feel flaky, it does not feel oily, you have a normal skin. Congratulations to you. Right? So अगर आधे घंटे के बाद हमें ऐसे लगता है कि नहीं, मेरी स्किन ना बहुत स्ट्रेची फील कर रही है, मेरी स्किन बहुत टॉट फील कर रही है, मेरे मुंह में खिंचावट फील हो रही है when I'm trying to smile, that means you have a dry skin. Right? So, having said that, moving on from dry skin, we have oily skin type. Now, oily skin type में क्या होता है? After half an hour, you will feel कि मेरे face पे तो एक oil की layer आ गई है. A lot of people can say, doctor, you wipe a tissue paper and it's going to be greasy. So even if you take a normal tissue paper and you dab it onto your skin, it's going to turn greasy. Right? So that means that you have an oily skin type. And the next skin type that I'm talking about is like the most common, and it's very easy to detect also, where you'll say कि कुछ समझ नहीं आ रहा डॉक्टर, कहीं पे ड्राई लगता है, कहीं पे ऑयली लगता है, नोज पे तो मेरे ब्लैक हेड्स आते हैं, but cheeks become dry. You know, so it's like some areas of your face are going to feel dry, some areas are going to feel oily, especially your T-zone. Yeah, in that case, you are having a combination skin type. And a combination skin type is the most common form of skin type that we have amongst us, especially in our Indian subcontinent, right? So these are the basic types of your skin. So कोई भी product use करने से पहले आपको देखना है, उस product के ऊपर लिखा हुआ होगा for all skin types, for oily skin, for dry skin, for mature skin, for combination skin. Right? So अगर आपका skin oily है, you should always look for a product which is non-comedogenic. So this word is very important. आप एक बार सुन लेंगे तो शायद अगली बार, I'm sure it'll sound a little technical to you, but जब आप उसे पढ़ेंगे तो it's going to ring a bell and you will know कि ये हमारे डॉक्टर ने कहा था और ये मुझे याद रखना है. So comedone is basically blackhead. The blackheads and the whiteheads that we get, it's grade 1 acne. So अगर हमारी skin oily है, that means that I have a propensity to develop acne. तो मेरा प्रोडक्ट जो है वो नॉन कॉमेडोजेनिक होना चाहिए, राइट? So that is very important. This is like the most important thing I want to tell you all. Now moving on to the next question that Archana had for me, where she says, how is food important? Now I feel food is the most important thing, right? Because food, we need food for survival, we need food for luxury. राइट? सो अगर आप थोड़ा सा खा लोगे, दाल चावल खा लोगे, आपका पेट भर जाएगा. बट इफ आई गिव यू एन आइसक्रीम ऑन टॉप ऑफ दैट, यू बी लाइक मजा आ गया. राइट? सो सेम गोज विद योर फूड फॉर योर स्किन. I would like to make a strong statement here. I am not pro applying food items onto your face. I am somebody who believes, like you rightly said, what goes on the inside reflects on the outside. So if you feel कि ये चीज जो मैं अपने चेहरे पे लगाने के लिए तैयार हूँ इतनी हेल्दी है कि ये मुझे कुछ हेल्प कर सकती है, तो इसको मैं खाऊंगी तो भी it's going to help me, and it's going to help me in more ways than one.
Absolutely.
Right? So you're not going to just pick up any random thing and just apply it onto your face, right? You will want the most fresh vegetable or a fresh fruit that you're looking at, and you'll be like, ये मैं face पे लगाती हूँ, why not eat it? Right? So I think that's very important, because when you eat it, it gives an entire body, it's going to give you an entire body range full of antioxidants and your vitamins, and it's going to go through all of your body, right? Not just your face. This is the first interface, I understand. It's the most important part. But again, it's your whole body that's aging. Skin is everywhere. It's just not this frame that we're looking at, right? We are talking about our body as a whole. This is the only place you have to live in, you know? So it's just not your face. It's just not your neck. It has to go all over. And eating right is the most important thing. So when people come to me and then they say that, Doc, I'm trying to lose weight and I'm on a crash diet, I think the first thing I do is I spend a half an hour with them. I understand what the schedule looks like, and I need to tell them, I need to make them consciously aware that skincare and your food and your lifestyle go hand in hand. Aging is constant, so is eating. आपने आज अपना स्किन केयर प्रोडक्ट लगा लिया और आप मुझे बोलोगे डॉक्टर अब 15 दिन से बंद कर दिया तो डलनेस लग रही है. 15 दिन खाना नहीं खाओगे, भूख भी तो लगेगी ना. So you need to understand your skin also needs food. So the products that you're applying onto your skin are supplementing. They're those supplement foods that you have, right? But your basics have to go on.
Yes.
So
Absolutely.
nutritious diet, I say the most easy way of doing it is the brighter the color of your food, the better it is for you. It's going to be rich in antioxidants. So if you have 3 different colored fruits and vegetables every day, I think you're sorted. So easiest thing.
So ladies and gentlemen, I want you to note down everything Dr. Aneja is telling us, because ये छोटी छोटी बातें हम लोग अक्सर नजरअंदाज कर देते हैं, और ये छोटी छोटी बातों का ही बहुत बड़ा फर्क पड़ता है जो आज हमें डॉक्टर हमें बता रहे हैं. सो दीज आर द टिप्स जो आपको हमेशा पता होने चाहिए, और ये बहुत हैंडी टिप्स है और इतनी आसानी से डॉक्टर्स हमें समझा रहे हैं. सो इट्स वेरी वेरी बेनिफिशियल. So yes, Dr. Aneja, over to you.
Yes, so like I said, आप 3 अलग कलर के fruits खाओगे रोज. Colors, it's very basic. Even if you tell your child to do that, like young girls, young kids who come to me, who are battling with acne and who are having issues with their skin, I tell them, बेटा 3 अलग कलर के fruits खाओ, 3 अलग कलर की vegetables मम्मी को बोलो टिफिन में दे हमें, 3 लीटर पानी पीना है हमें रोज. It's the rule of 3. Have 3 liters of water every day and have 3 different nuts. Soak them overnight and eat them in the morning. Like you can have some 5 almonds, 2 walnuts and a couple of raisins. आप उसको रात को भिगो के रखो, have it in the morning, first thing when you wake up. I think you're easy, you're sorted.
So it's very easy to remember. I mean, आपने बहुत ही आसान तरीके से हम लोगों को समझाया the rule of 3. So 3 आपको बांध लेना है, लेडीज एंड जेंटलमैन. सो इट्स सो इजी, इतनी आसानी से हमें समझाया डॉक्टर ज्योति ने. So it's very easy for me to actually. I'm going to apply it for sure.
So much. And another one very quick thing I want to tell you, it takes 3 weeks to form a habit. अगर आप एक चीज 3 हफ्ते तक आप अपनी बॉडी को थोड़ा पुश करोगे ना ये चीज करने के लिए कि ये मुझे करना है, दवाई समझ के करना है. So after 3rd week, it's going to become a habit. And when you do it for 3 months, when you do it for 90 days, it becomes a lifestyle. So
It's so easy.
I am just trying to help you all so that I want you all to apply this also. I just don't want this talk to get over and this to fizz out. I am here with you all today so you can make the most of what I would have told you if you came and saw me in my clinic.
So definitely. And ladies and gentlemen, बने रहिए क्योंकि इतने ही छोटे छोटे तरीकों से हमें समझाने के लिए डॉक्टर ज्योति हमारे साथ अभी भी बनी हुई है. एंड शील बी हियर टू टेल अस सो मच अबाउट स्किन एंड स्किन केयर. और हम उनसे ये सारी बातें पूछने वाले हैं जो रोजमर्रा की जिंदगी में बहुत सारे लोगों के दिमाग में बहुत सारी चीजें आती रहती हैं. सो हम वो छोटी छोटी बातें, छोटी छोटी कंफ्यूजन्स जो बहुत बड़ा कभी रीजन हो सकता है उसका या छोटा भी रीजन हो सकता है, हम सारी बातें डॉक्टर ज्योति से आज पूछेंगे. सो प्लीज बी हियर एंड वॉच, आगे भी वॉच करते रहिए. और आगे बढ़ने से पहले मैं आपको थोड़ा सा बता देती हूँ ब्यूटी एंड केयर के बारे में. आज हमारा सेशन है केयर का, दैट मीन्स SF9. हमारा आज पावर्ड बाय सारे प्रोडक्ट्स के बारे में हम बात कर रहे हैं और उसमें से भी बात करेंगे हम लोग ब्राइटनिंग ट्रीटमेंट के बारे में स्पेसिफिकली आने वाले कुछ मिनटों में. मैं आपको ये भी बताना चाहती हूँ कि मिस्ट्रल ऑफ मिलान is proud partner of SF9, Skin Formula 9, and our team is there to help you out in any question, any requirement for Mistral of Milan and SF9, Skin Formula 9. So चलिए आगे बढ़ते हैं और डॉक्टर ज्योति से और भी सारी बातें करते हैं. एंड यस डॉक्टर ज्योति, आपने बहुत ही आसानी से हम लोगों को समझाया द रूल ऑफ 3 और उसका पूरा इम्प्लीकेशन हमें बताया. डॉक्टर ज्योति, आपने हमें डाइट के बारे में बताया. मैं एक और पॉइंट यहाँ टच करना चाहती हूँ, स्ट्रेस. जैसा कि आप बता रहे थे कि पीपल आर स्ट्रेस्ड एंड इट शोज ऑन देयर फेसेस और इट शोज ऑन देयर बॉडीज. सो राइट नाउ द सिचुएशन इज क्वाइट स्ट्रेसफुल in terms of COVID-19 situation, lockdown situation, financial situation, physical situation, a lot of situations. So people are quite stressful and mostly they are indoors and they are facing a lot of problems in terms of आदत नहीं है, बाहर जाना है. So a lot of disappointments, depression, stress. So a lot of things are happening. So how do we, manage stress? Because we truly believe that if you're happy from within, so it will reflect on your total body or your personality. So how do we manage stress?
इस बात पे ना मैं आपको एक छोटा सा एग्जांपल बताती हूँ. I just came across this. I was reading this today morning itself, and it's very interesting. Like you said, it's a very difficult time. It is unforeseen, absolutely unforeseen. None of us were prepared for this. For generations, we've not seen something like this. So it's a very, very difficult time. I agree with you. But having said that, अगर हम कभी भी बोलें, so this is a very odd circumstance, I would say the situations are very, very डिफिकल्ट बट ऐसा नहीं है कि हमारी जिंदगी में कभी स्ट्रेस नहीं था. और आज अगर अर्चना आके मुझे बोलती है डॉक्टर ज्योति आई एम वेरी स्ट्रेस, और मैं अर्चना बोलती हूँ अर्चना स्ट्रेस मत लो, and it gets over at that. This is meme all over internet where they say that I went and told her that I had stress and she told me don't stress about it, and it was the end of it. It doesn't work like that. But having said that, it's a very beautiful way of looking at things. If I'm holding a glass of water in my hand, if I'm holding it for a moment while I'm sipping the water, it's fine. It just goes by. आपसे बात करते करते मैंने वो ग्लास कुछ देर तक पकड़े रखा, 15 मिनट तक पकड़े रखा, मतलब मेरा हाथ थोड़ा थक जाएगा. I feel a little tired and fatigued. I keep holding that glass in my hand all through this conversation for a good 1 hour. Let's say, let's presume we're talking for an hour, and I'm holding the glass for an hour. My hand will start hurting, right? And this conversation got over, everything got over. I am moving around in the house with that glass of water for entire 24 hours of time. What will happen? You tell me क्या होगा?
हाथ दर्द करेगा.
हाथ दर्द करेगा, सुन हो जाएगा, मतलब ऐसे लगेगा समझ ही नहीं आएगा कि मैं हाथ के साथ करूँ क्या, right? Same. This is how I want you to imagine as to when you're having a thought. If you think about it for a while, nothing happens. You think about it for a bit longer, it begins to hurt you. Something didn't go well. You think too much about it and you'll be like, नहीं यार ये अच्छा नहीं था, ये सही नहीं हुआ, इसके बारे में कुछ हो सकता था. And then you think about it all day long. What happens? It practically mentally numbs you, it paralyzes you, it makes you incapable of doing anything else. Then you see कि किसी भी चीज में मन नहीं लग रहा. Right? So one needs to understand that there is nothing that is changing about the situation by my thought process. I am only fatiguing my body, my brain. Instead, what I can do is I can choose to focus on the positives in life. ऐसा कभी भी नहीं होगा कि स्ट्रेसफुल सिचुएशन नहीं होगी, ऐसा कभी भी नहीं होगा कि प्रॉब्लम्स नहीं आएंगी. द मोस्ट ब्यूटिफुल लेडी इन द वर्ल्ड इज नॉट द हैप्पीएस्ट, एंड द मोस्ट richest man in the world is not going to be the happiest either. Everybody is fighting a battle you know nothing about, right? So first of all, stop comparing. Comparison skill. So don't look at others and say इसको तो फर्क नहीं पड़ रहा है, मेरी लाइफ इतनी कैसे हिल गई. It's your journey. It's absolutely your individual journey. And look at it कि बहुत प्रॉब्लम है तो सोल्यूशन है. मैं सोल्यूशंस पे फोकस करता हूँ ना. Let me see what I can do about it. And there are so many times I'll be like, I cannot do anything about it. So let's try and think of something that makes us happy. So stress management comes in different ways. You can listen to music. You can just dance, just play some music and dance. You can do yoga. We live in our country where we say think local, talk local, and we are the country of yoga. So, this is where it all came from, and it helps you have good skin, good hair, it gives you a good mental state. So why not? So, this time, if you come to think of it, has pressed a pause button in all of our life. चाहते ना चाहते हुए सबकी लाइफ पॉज हो गई है. So, we've had this time to introspect what is important for us. So, जो लोग रोज सुबह उठ के बोलते थे अरे यार फिर ऑफिस जाना पड़ेगा, वही लोग आज की डेट पे बोलते हैं ऑफिस कब खुलेगा, ऑफिस जाना है,
कब खुलेगा.
And the people who would complain कि फैमिली के लिए टाइम नहीं है, now they're like अरे बाहर निकालो यार बहुत हो गया. And the ones who are
circle goes on.
Yeah, and the ones who are not able to be with their family right now are actually realizing the importance of their loved ones. The people you're not connected with in donkey's years, you're now picking up your phone and connecting with those college friends, school friends, yahan wala dost, wahan wala dost, and suddenly you're realizing कि नहीं यार, these were the important things that are missed in life. So let's look at it as an opportunity where we are getting time to set our priorities right. It's okay to step back. 3 महीने काम पे नहीं गए हम लोग, कितना कुछ रुक गया, but किसके बिना जिंदगी रुकी और किसके बिना दुनिया रुकी. So none of us is indispensable, and the day you understand that, I think that's the battle half won. So it's not difficult. It's basically taming your own dragon, and I think we do it every day, each one of us, and we're stronger than we think we are.
And being a vestige, people, all the vestigians are definitely truly power banks, जैसा आप बोल रही हैं क्योंकि वेस्टीज ने इतिहास रचा है और लॉकडाउन के पीरियड के बावजूद बहुत उन्नति पाई है और इट्स वंडरफुल कि इतने पावरफुल लोग हमारे साथ में हैं एंड यू ऑल्सो यू हैव गिवन अस टाइम एंड लॉकडाउन की अगर मैं बात करूं सो डॉक्टर ज्योति लॉकडाउन का मतलब है बीइंग इंडोर्स बीइंग इंडोर्स मतलब बीइंग सेफ. So a lot of us were confined indoors and a lot of us thought that if we are indoor, so skin care or beauty care, it doesn't matter, So मन ही नहीं कर रहा है स्किन केयर करने का या जरूरत ही महसूस नहीं हो रही है कि अपनी स्किन का भी ध्यान रखना है, अपने ब्यूटी केयर को भी रूटीन बनाना है. So what do you think? So being indoors, does it mean that we stop caring about our skins?
That's a myth. That's a myth. कुछ दिन के लिए अगर आप मुझे बोलते हैं कि डॉक्टर अभी लॉकडाउन हुआ है, कुछ समझ ही नहीं आ रहा है क्या हो रहा है, आई अंडरस्टैंड दैट स्किन वाज नॉट आवर प्रायोरिटी. अभी बहुत टाइम बीत चुका है एंड वी ऑल नो दैट दिस इज गोइंग टू बी हियर फॉर सम टाइम, राइट? सो एज लॉन्ग एज वी कैन, अ लॉट ऑफ अस आर गोइंग टू बी वर्किंग फ्रॉम होम एंड यू नीड टू अंडरस्टैंड कि हम घर पे बैठे हैं इसका मतलब ये नहीं कि हम एज नहीं कर रहे हैं. इट्स लाइक द क्लॉक इज नॉट स्टॉपिंग फॉर एनीबडी. The date in the calendar is changing, right? So
Yes.
the ultraviolet rays exposure that we have, हम घर पे भी बैठे हैं तो हम खिड़की पे भी जाएंगे, हमारा स्क्रीन टाइम कितना इंक्रीज हो गया है. द ब्लू लाइट दैट कम्स, द रेडिएशन दैट कम फ्रॉम आवर स्क्रीन, फ्रॉम आवर सेल फोन, फ्रॉम आवर टेलीविजन, फ्रॉम आवर लैपटॉप्स, इमेजिन द एक्सपोजर टाइम फॉर दैट. और एनी विच वेज जब हम ट्रैवल भी करते थे तो ऐसा था कि अगर हम गाड़ी से भी जा रहे हैं, सो आई लिव इन बॉम्बे, सो योर ट्रैवल टाइम इज एन एवरेज ऑफ 1.5 hours to 2 hours ऑन अ डेली बेसिस. बट अगर मैं गाड़ी में जा रही हूँ तो क्या मुझे सन प्रोटेक्शन की जरूरत नहीं है? ऐसा नहीं है, बिकॉज योर सन इज रेडिएटिंग ultraviolet A, ultraviolet B, ultraviolet C radiations. Ultraviolet C radiations are completely almost absorbed by the ozone layer. But the UVA rays that cause aging, they are capable of passing through the glasses, our window glasses, our car frames, everywhere. So, even when आप office में बैठे हो, you say, I've got a brilliant view from my window, But at the same time, you need to understand कि आपको 4 से 6 घंटे direct sunlight भी मिल रही है. Right? So you are going to photo age in that process also. And when you come out after this difficult period of lockdown, आप 3 महीने के बाद आप ऑफिस जाओ और फिर आपको कोई बोले थके हुए लग रहे हो, will you like that? Like इससे ज्यादा आराम कैसे करोगे ना? आप अभी आराम नहीं किया तो कभी आराम नहीं कर सकते हो, right? And again, like I said, your physical state is going to be reflecting onto your skin. तो अगर आप उसका ख्याल नहीं रखोगे और आप सोचो कि ये ऑटो पायलट पे चलता रहेगा तो ऐसा नहीं है. Very few of us, there's like this very few 5% of us who are going to be super lucky जो बोले कि मैं कुछ भी कर लूं, my skin stays with me. But for the remaining normal people like you and I feel we need to take care of our skin. I don't believe in beauty regimens. I don't want to give you a vanity routine जहां आप आधा घंटा सुबह शीशे के सामने बैठे हैं, आधा घंटा रात को बैठे हैं. नहीं, basic skin care यार. It's like hygiene. It's like brushing your teeth. अगर आप लॉकडाउन में हो तो आपने ब्रश करना तो नहीं बंद कर दिया ना. You still have it as a habit कि मुझे I have to brush my teeth and I have to floss my teeth. This is habit. So you have to wash your face, you have to wash your hair, you have to use a good quality cleanser. You need to moisturize your skin. You will apply your sunblock because you want to be sitting in front of the laptop. We're all educated people here. We are not living in stone age. We have such sophisticated products. आप इतने sophisticated gadgets use कर रहे हो. So having said that, if I can afford a gadget or a phone, anything between 30,000 to a lakh of rupees, if I'm buying a cream worth 300 to 3,000 rupees and not using it, I think it's just a sorry state. So laziness का कोई तोड़ नहीं है. It's like कि अगर उसके बावजूद भी अगर आप बोलो कि आप कुछ करके नहीं निकले हो, then you didn't lack time, you lack motivation. अगर इस 3 महीने के बाद भी आप मुझे बोलो कि मुझे टाइम नहीं मिला तो फिर कभी नहीं मिलेगा टाइम. then I think it's a battle already lost. I would not want to waste my time or yours and I would like to move on.
So ladies and gentlemen, all the Vestigians, I don't think कि हमारे में कभी भी motivation की कमी होती है. So skincare is definitely a priority. Like it's a hygiene that you have to maintain. सो कीप इट इन योर रूटीन। और ये जो मिथ है कि हम लोग इंडोर्स हैं और हमारी स्किन को कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ेगा, डेफिनेटली इट हैज बीन बस्टेड बाय आवर ओन डॉक्टर ज्योति। सो कीप दैट इन माइंड। सो इट इज अ रूटीन टू बी फॉलोड रिलीजियसली। So going ahead, Dr. Jyoti, and स्किन केयर में ही हमारे साथ बहुत कई बार ऐसा होता है कि one fine day we are feeling so nice that our skin is glowing, right? And after few days we feel that our glow has gone away. So I don't know how it happens. हो सकता है कि स्किन केयर रूटीन को मैंने हो सकता है आई एम बीइंग टू लेजी टू कीप टेक केयर ऑफ माई स्किन और समथिंग, बट द डलनेस keeps coming back. So how do I tackle that? So how do I maintain the clarity of my skin or the complexion of my skin? So how can you some tips you can give me?
Healthy glowing skin. I'm so happy that you said that, healthy glowing skin. Every person who comes to you, and me for that matter, says कि डॉक्टर ग्लो नहीं है स्किन पे, डलनेस है, अनइवन स्किन टोन है. सिंपल इसकी वजह है दैट वी आर नॉट फॉलोइंग अ स्किन केयर रूटीन. सो मेनी टाइम्स आई हैव अ पेशेंट हु विल कम टू मी जिसको एक्ने होगा, एक्जिमा होगा, सोरियासिस होगा, कोई एंटी एजिंग इशू होगा, हेयर लॉस इशू होगा. When I spend that half an hour with that patient, we're talking and discussing everything. आधे घंटे बाद जो पेशेंट का रिलेटिव होता है ना, वो जाने से पहले पूछेगा, अच्छा डॉक्टर मैं क्या यूज कर सकता हूँ, right? So that brings immense joy to me, when a patient's relative, an indirect patient asks me that question. And thank you for asking me that, Archana, because I really want all you beautiful Vestigians out there who are so pumped up and charged up all the time. I want you to look your best self. And सबसे आसान तरीका है इसका, less is more. हमें अपनी स्किन को क्लेंस करना है, हमें एक रूटीन फॉलो करना है, एक रूटीन जो एक हेल्दी लाइफस्टाइल बनेगा हमारा, जिसमें हम एक क्लेंजर लेंगे, जिससे हम सुबह और शाम अपनी स्किन को क्लेंस करेंगे. वी विल स्वेयर टू नेवर स्लीप विद आवर मेकअप ऑन, इररिस्पेक्टिव हम कितने भी थके हुए हैं. दिस इज अ स्किन केयर सिन दैट वी आर नेवर गोइंग टू कमिट. We will always hydrate our skin. We will drink enough waters. Hydration से सबसे पहली बात जब मैं हाइड्रेशन की करूंगी, I will say drink your water. Once you are done with your 3 liters of water, then you will moisturize your skin, you will hydrate your skin. आसान कर देती हूँ मैं आपके लिए. हम बहुत सुनते हैं CTM का रूटीन होना चाहिए. I will say कि go easy on the toner. आज से 5 साल पहले जब प्रोडक्ट्स थोड़े से आई वुड से इतने एस्थेटिकली इंक्लाइंड और इतने स्पेशलाइज्ड नहीं थे, तो हमें ज्यादा प्रोडक्ट्स लगाने पड़ते थे. आज की डेट में आवर क्लेंजर्स आर स्मार्ट इनफ टू डबल क्लेंस यू. बेसिकली योर टोनर वाज मेंट टू डबल क्लेंस यू एंड रिमूव द एक्सेसिव मेकअप एंड क्लीन योर पोर्स, व्हिच कैन बी वेरी वेल डन बाय योर क्लेंजर इन टुडेज टाइम एंड डे, राइट? सो यू यूज अ क्लेंजर, मॉइस्चराइज योर स्किन एंड प्रोटेक्ट. So it's like cleanse, moisturize and protect. So by protection, I cannot say this enough. If there's only one product that you ever have to buy in your life and that you apply all life long, and the cheapest and the most effective way of anti-aging, it has to be a sunscreen. So by the word sunscreen, I mean it is a misnomer. It's just not protecting you against the sun. It's doing so much more. So it protects you from the harmful radiations from your television, from your laptop, from your screen, from your mobile phones, everything around, from your microwaves also for that matter, air conditions. Plus, it keeps the product that you have applied underneath sealed onto your skin. And you need to apply your sunscreen 3 times a day. याद रखो, बार मैं number 3 is what I'm using again and again. So 3 times a day during your sun hours, जब हमें sun दिखाई देता है, even on a day when it is cloudy and you don't see the sun rays penetrate the cloud. दिन तो दिखाई देता है ना हमें बाहर, and it is day because there is sunlight. Right? So it may just not be direct onto you. And हम अपने सनस्क्रीन को दिन में 3 बार लगाएंगे और धूप में या बाहर जाने से 20 मिनट पहले लगाएंगे. We will not just apply your sunscreen and move out. We will apply it 20 minutes before we are stepping out into the sun. And yeah, that's pretty much it. So yeah, cleansing, moisturizing, protection, and drinking a lot of water, eating right. That's what I want you all to do. And trust me, you'll all have a healthy, glowing complexion.
Okay. And if I talk about Skin Formula 9, we have a very, very sophisticated and very nice product called Skin Brightening Treatment. So I would like to talk something about that, and it is specifically for targeting your complexion in terms of brightening and managing your melanin content underneath your skin. So I wanted to ask you, how does it help in lightening my skin or maybe brightening my skin, the brightening treatment from SF9?
I'll tell you, it's a beautiful product, and the question that you asked me is quite precise. So I will again like to explain this to you. So from the time we launched Skin Formula 9, this is one of my favorite products personally also. And the reason I like it so much is because when you have somebody who comes to you and says, Doctor, I don't want to apply many products, मुझे एक चीज दो जहाँ से मैं शुरुआत कर सकूं. So this is that one product that I would want you to start your regime with. And the beauty of it is it contains a very beautiful blend of plant stem cell extracts that detoxify your skin. It is, chemical free to the greatest extent, wherein it's got daisy flower extract. If you ask me, that's like a natural bleaching agent. So there's no HCQ that we have in this. So it is very mild on your skin. So, even if you have a sensitive skin type, you can probably use this product very, around say, it's not going to give you any reactions. It's got plant and flower wax that it uses to hydrate and moisturize your skin. So it nourishes your skin with the moisturizers, and it's got multivitamins. So it's got vitamin B3, which enhances your skin's defense mechanism and helps you fight, combat acne, because it's an anti-inflammatory vitamin there, right? So it's basically something which is a savior and a protector. So it's going to help you even out your skin tone. It's going to take care of imperfections. It's going to moisturize you, hydrate you, and at the same time, it's not a very heavy product. It's like you said, it's a very sophisticated product, and the reason I like it is because it's chemical free, it's preservative free, and it's fragrance free. So it's dermatologically a very, very fine product. When जब हमें ठंडी लगती है ना, so there are two ways of protecting ourselves. So एक होता है कि हम कोई मोटा सा भारी सा ब्लैंकेट लेके बैठ जाएं और बोले कि हाँ ठीक है, ठंड तो नहीं लग रही है. And second is, you have a nice pashmina and you just wear it, and it is light, it is feathery, it is soft, and it keeps you warm and it looks good. So if I was to give you that comparison, it is the pashmina of those products wherein you are going to enjoy using this product. It's not going to weigh you down. It's not going to look greasy onto your face, and you can put makeup on top of this product also. So I personally, I'm pretty much in favor of using the brightening treatment. Yes.
Okay. So brightening treatment, the pashmina of all the skincare products. So I'm gonna take that. And yes, Dr. Jyoti, if I am applying brightening treatment, so majority the concern of Indian skin is I want to become fair. So if I apply brightening treatment, how soon can I become fair?
I'm not your doctor if you want to become fair. So I am absolutely against this word, and we live in a country with such diversity, such diverse complexions. I feel fairness is a wild goose chase. So there's nobody who's ever going to ask for fairness will ever be a happy patient. आप किसी को भी देख लो, the fairest of person, they'll have days मेरी skin dull लग रही है, and a dark skin patient, I feel skin color is not what we're chasing. Be it with your brightening treatment, be it with any other treatments that I do in the clinic also, I absolutely detest the idea where you are not comfortable with your skin color. I want you to be comfortable in your skin and then make you the best version of yourself. हो सकता है while you're working on it, you will feel like a shade lighter because your toxins are taken care of and the dead layer is gone, so your natural complexion is going to come out. But if I promise you fairness, I think I am being dishonest with you, and whenever a patient comes to me, I am giving you hope. and I feel I will be guiding you in the wrong direction and I will only be feeding your insecurities. तो जब कोई इंसान बोलता है कि ये शेड कार्ड है, ये 15 दिन में हो जाएगा, 4 दिन में हो जाएगा, 7 दिन में हो जाएगा, आई थिंक इट्स नॉट अ कमोडिटी दैट यू आर बाइंग. Your skin is not a commodity. Your skin color is not what defines you. Please be very mindful of the words that you use for yourself, because your confidence is all about you and your skin color does not limit that. So 15 दिन यूज करोगे ब्राइटनिंग ट्रीटमेंट, एक हफ्ता यूज करोगे, एक महीना यूज करोगे, एक साल यूज करोगे, आई एम नेवर गोइंग टू टेल यू दैट यू आर गोइंग टू बिकम फेयर. यू विल हैव टू यूज इट ऑन अ रेगुलर बेसिस, दिस प्रोडक्ट और एनी प्रोडक्ट इन सेम रेंज और लाइन, बट बिकॉज एजिंग इज कॉन्स्टेंट. बट इसको लगाने से मैं गोरा हो जाऊंगा 15 दिन में, I don't want to comment on that. Absolutely not. That's very unfair to say yes to that question.
Definitely, as a brand, we also do not support the word fair. We welcome, we respect all shades, and that's how it is. And that's how we are talking about the glow, the natural glow in your skin, which is equal in all the shades available throughout the world. So thank you so much, Dr. Jyoti, and busting this myth that fairness is a brightening treatment. Definitely, ladies and gentlemen, it is more about the clarity of your skin, the glow of your skin, the health of your skin. So moving ahead, busting more myths now. I'm getting excited now because I have a list of so many so-called myths, and I want to share it with you, and I also want to take clarity on that, because a lot of questions that I have, I already have in my mind. So just going on to the number 1. क्या मैं धूप में जा सकती हूँ? अगर मैं ब्राइटनिंग ट्रीटमेंट यूज कर रही हूँ तो मुझे डरने की जरूरत नहीं है. मैं आराम से धूप में जा सकती हूँ, मैं आराम से पोल्यूशन में जा सकती हूँ, मुझे और कुछ करने की जरूरत नहीं.
How true is that?
The brightening treatment is not going to bulletproof your skin, my darling, or nothing for that matter will. So like I said, 10 to 4, the rays of the sun are the strongest. So 10 a.m. to 4 p.m. is the time जहां हम बोलते हैं कि जरूरत नहीं है तो बाहर मत निकलिए. सो इरिस्पेक्टिव ऑफ द फैक्ट कि हमने अपने स्किन पे क्या लगाया है, डेफिनेटली अगर आपने कोई अच्छा प्रोडक्ट लगाया है तो इट्स गोइंग टू डू यू सम गुड, इट्स गोइंग टू प्रोटेक्ट यू रिलेटिव टू समबडी जिसने कुछ भी नहीं लगाया है. बट इफ यू से कि मैंने ब्राइटनिंग ट्रीटमेंट लगाया है और मैं जाके 4 घंटे सन में खड़ी हो जाऊंगी, मैं टैन नहीं होंगी, दैट इज नॉट गोइंग टू हैपन. इट डज नॉट हैपन. मोस्ट डेफिनेटली यू विल हैव टू टॉप अप योर ब्राइटनिंग ट्रीटमेंट ऑल्सो विद द सनस्क्रीन. Plus your sunscreen is going to delay your tanning. It is going to delay the time which it takes for your skin to tan relative to somebody who's not done it, like not applied any form of physical or chemical protection. But no, you definitely are not bulletproofed by using any treatment or any product for that matter.
And ladies and gentlemen, आपको याद रखना चाहिए कि जैसा हमारे वेस्टीज में हमेशा ट्रेडिशन रहता है, किसी भी वर्कशॉप, किसी भी ट्रेनिंग में हम लोग हमेशा चाहते हैं कि आप हमसे सवाल पूछें ताकि आपके सारे डाउट्स क्लियर हो. So don't forget to comment in the section below, and also like, share with your other colleagues as well. So keep commenting and keep liking this session और आगे बने रहिए, because a lot of things जो हमारे दिमाग में चलती रहती है उनकी क्लैरिफिकेशन आज हम डॉक्टर ज्योति से लेके रहेंगे. सो बने रहिए और हम अब आगे पूछेंगे उनसे काफी सारी चीजें. तो चलिए नेक्स्ट सवाल पूछते हैं डॉक्टर ज्योति से. क्या ब्राइटनिंग ट्रीटमेंट मैं सिर्फ दिन में एक बार या सिर्फ रात को लगाकर ही ब्राइट हो सकती हूँ, या ग्लो आ सकता है, या फेयर हो सकती हूँ?
Okay, so like I said, your brightening treatment is a glorified moisturizer which gives you the add-on antioxidant, anti-aging benefits. Right? So ideally you can use it 2 times a day, once in the morning, once at night. But depending upon your skin type, आपका skin अगर dry है, normal है, combination है, आप इसको दिन में 2 बार लगा सकते हैं. But if you're having an oily skin type, then you can stick to applying it once at bedtime also.
Okay. All right. एंड गोइंग टू द नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन एंड यस, मुझे पता है डॉक्टर ज्योति मुझे जरूर बातें सुनाएंगी इसके बाद, क्योंकि बहुत सारे क्वेश्चंस हैं फेयरनेस से रिलेटेड जिसे हमें डिबंक करना है. और एक और क्वेश्चन आ रहा है आपके पास, डलनेस ऑफ स्किन का क्या मतलब है? डलनेस ऑफ स्किन सिर्फ मैं अगर गोरी नहीं तो दैट मीन्स मेरी स्किन डल है, अगर मैं फेयर हूं दैट मीन्स मेरी स्किन डल नहीं. कितना सच है ये डॉक्टर ज्योति?
So, abhi by the end of this conversation, I think, Archana, you already know what ticks me off. But I would like to say that, you know, we live in a society, unfortunately, where the barometer of beauty is the color of your skin. So, हम पूजा तो करते हैं कृष्ण भगवान की, जिसका संस्कृत में मतलब डार्क है, राइट? बट जब हम बहू देखने जाते हैं अपने बेटे के लिए, वो हमें गोरी चाहिए, राइट? सो आई फील डलनेस and darkness has absolutely no correlation. I think if you enjoy music and you look at Beyonce, she looks beautiful, and nobody can say she's not beautiful. So if skin color could define beauty, Beyonce wouldn't be where she is.
Yes, definitely. I'm a big fan.
Dullness, I understand, is lust. lackluster स्किन, जहां आप बोलो कि मुझे थकावट लगती है चेहरे पे, कहीं डार्क है कहीं लाइट है, पैची दिखती है मेरी स्किन, मुझे मेकअप लगाना पड़ता है हमेशा बाहर जाने से पहले, अगर कोई घर पे आ जाए तो हम एम्बैरेस हो जाते हैं व्हेन आई एम नॉट वेयरिंग मेकअप. दैट इज द स्किन आई वांट टू ट्रीट. So like, I am not wearing a foundation right now, you're not wearing a foundation right now. That is the confidence I want every woman on the other side of this chat to have. So, you know, a makeup should make you up. You know, it should add on. But अगर हमें कोई बिना मेकअप के देख ले तो ऐसे नहीं होना चाहिए, oh my god, अभी क्या सोचेंगे? You know what I'm saying? So we need to be so fit and fresh with our skin that we can be happily stepping out without makeup. So that is the idea. That is the dullness that I want to treat, and that is what is something that can be helped 100%. I can assure you. So even if you have a problem skin, we can eventually get there. Some skins may take a little longer than the others, but it is absolutely achievable.
Okay, thank you so much. And going on to the next big question people have in their minds is, if I'm already fair, do I need brightening treatment?
I think many people are going to actually own up to their fairness. Everybody wants more. It's human nature to want more, you know. And we are talking about brightness. We're not talking about lightening. So, you know, you always want to look fresher. You always want that little tint of freshness on your cheeks. You always want that little glow on your face. And why not? I think everybody wants it.
Okay, so brightening treatment can be used by any shade and it is going to benefit your skin further. So keep that in mind, ladies and gentlemen, and going on to the next. So is brightening treatment only for aging skin? A normal 20 or something cannot use it? Or is it only for 35, 40 plus people?
Darling, like I said, this is not an anti-aging complex. The blend that we have here, it's a glorified moisturizer with antioxidants. So, you know, anytime after 25, your skin cells need help. So this is not a treatment that is purely working to pause the aging process. Absolutely not. So this is a product which is more to be used as a blanket product by the general population anytime when you're 25 plus, I would say, and you can safely use till whatever age limit.
Okay. And should I apply it liberally? मतलब मैं जितना ज्यादा लगाऊंगी उतनी ज्यादा इफेक्ट आएगा मेरी स्किन पे. Is that true?
Archana, once again, less is more, right? And by less I don't mean कि हमने एक pot ले लिया तो वो हमें एक साल भर चलाना है. By less, I mean you should understand the quantity. See, because the size of my face and the size of your face is not going to be the same. So I cannot give you one defined quantity कि आपको 1 ml लगाना है, 2 ml लगाना है. Easiest thing to do would be to take 1 fingertip unit. Every person's finger is going to be corresponding to their body, right? So take 1 fingertip unit for each side of your face. Do not ever forget the neck. Never apply the cream like this. Any cream, this cream or any cream. ये प्लीज छोड़ दीजिए. आज की अगर ये टॉक आपने सुनी है तो कोई भी क्रीम हम ऐसे नहीं लगाएंगे. वी विल जस्ट टेक द क्रीम, वी विल मेक सम डॉट्स ऑन द फेस, वी आर जेंटली गोइंग टू फेदर इट आउट ऑन टू योर फेस एंड देन वी जस्ट गोइंग लेट इट बी. सो यू नो, जब हमें सॉफ्ट सपल बेबी लाइक स्किन चाहिए, so we're going to give those 20 seconds extra to the application of our cream also and treat ourselves like we want to be treated. So agar aap kabhi you go to a salon or you go to a clinic and you want to get a facial done and the therapist starts gissoing the creams on your face, rubbing it on your face, you are going to get very irritable, right? And you're going to be like, I like your hands to be soft. But जब हम खुद अपनी क्रीम अपने फेस पे लगा रहे हैं तो किस चीज की जल्दी है यार? 20 seconds. It's just about 20 seconds. Just apply it, right?
A lot of people have a habit of doing like this.
Is the reason I did this and I explained it to you all.
So ladies and gentlemen, time to stop and pamper your skin. It is an important part of your body and you need to give it some time. So moving on to the next. If you are genetically disposed to have a bad skin, you can't do anything about it. अगर मेरी दादी, मेरी नानी, मेरी मॉम की स्किन बहुत ज्यादा अच्छी नहीं थी तो मेरा भी यही हाल होने वाला है. और या तो फिर बीच में आपने डॉक्टर ज्योति ने बोला था कि जेनेटिक्स प्लेज इम्पोर्टेंट रोल, बट हाउ इम्पोर्टेंट इट इज? क्या हम लोग उसको ओवरकम नहीं कर पाएंगे?
Again, हम इस क्वेश्चन को काफी डिटेल में डिस्कस कर चुके हैं. where we said, 50% of your genetic makeup is going to determine it. अब इसका मैं आपको एक उल्टा एग्जाम्पल देती हूँ. So, if you feel that your grandmother at 90 has the most amazing skin, most beautiful skin, and she still looks like gorgeous. I mean, all our grandmothers look gorgeous, but we are in context to skin when we're talking. You feel that she's got a spotless skin, she's fair, she's got lovely hair. Even at 90, उनकी skin and hair अच्छे हैं. I can do anything. And you get into substance abuse. You are smoking, you are having excessive amount of alcohol, you are out in the sun for long hours, and you're just not taking care, you're not sleeping on time, you're not exercising at all. Even at 50, you're going to look way older, despite your genetic makeup. Agree with me or no?
True,
So,
absolutely.
that can be true, the reverse is true as well. So if you're genetically predisposed to something, we are living in the time where science has progressed so much that we can help you with your skin conditions. And we can help you get better skin. In fact, it's easier to raise an alarm. I have so many young boys coming to me at 25 where they say, Doctor, मुझे transplant करना है. And they have a decent amount of hair on their head, I see. And I'm like, but आपको transplant क्यों करना है? And they be like, my father has no hair on his head and I never want to get there. You know what I'm saying? So that is the kind of awareness people have. So in fact ये तो एक अलार्म है आपके पास जो आपको पता है कि ये चीज मेरे साथ हो सकती है, तो मैं पहले ही सीख हेल्प कर लूँ ना जाके कि I will go and seek help early and I will try and avoid it as much as I can. I think we can use it to our benefit.
Definitely. We should do something about it. If we know that something is going to happen, better to prevent it rather than go and say sorry later on. So next question comes to your way is मुझे अपनी स्किन के बारे में ज्यादा कुछ नहीं करना है. मैं कर करके थक गई हूँ, मैं हार गई हूँ, अब कुछ नहीं हो सकता. अपने आप सब कुछ ठीक हो जाएगा.
So if we were talking about 2 odd pimples that you got during your periods and we said कि ये तो हर महीने आते हैं और मैं थक चुकी हूँ, I would understand because it is physiological, right? It is physiological where you actually don't need to do anything about it.
So that's how people take their skin as. I mean, one or two instances, for example, like you said, that during your periods, menstrual cycle, things change and you have one or two pimple. And this question I've got from a similar person who has, some kind of outbreak once in 3-4 months. And now she's telling me that I don't want to do anything. So particularly for that person, I'm asking you this question.
Beautifully asked and beautifully put also, Archana. That's what I'm trying to tell you here. If at all it is a problem that we can technically relate to our menstrual cycle, and we know that 2 acne during your periods, 2 to 3 acne for that matter during your periods is not even pathological, it's physiological, it's going to come and go. So we're not going to do anything about it. We really just about drink some water, not pop the zit and normal things. And I'm okay with that. I'm absolutely alright, because like I said, I propagate less is more. But if you're having a skin issue and you do nothing about it, like agar mujhe eczema hai, and unfortunately I have been to a couple of doctors, or Dr. Google is always there for us, where I have read so much about it and maine sab home remedies kar li, it's not helped me. I think it's just like the cat and the pigeon story, where the pigeon will just close its eyes and imagine ki cat hai hi nahi, and it's not going to eat me up. So I think it's very important to seek help, because there is a product out there, there is treatment out there for everyone. So I always say that confidentiality is very important with all our patients, be it a celebrity or otherwise, where we say you enjoy your treatments in private and your results in public. So it's very, very unlikely, and it has to be that 1 in 100 case where you say that I'm sorry, this cannot be helped. So I think you definitely need to seek help, and probably you would just need to counsel that lot of patients a little more, because I also relate to their disappointment. They have been disappointed in the past. So probably you'll have to spend those 10 minutes extra with them. But once you put them back onto the track, there's no looking back, because there's nobody who does not want to look good.
Absolutely. Everybody wants to look beautiful. Definitely. Why not? So, ladies and gentlemen, जो थक गए हैं, हार गए हैं, या 1-2 incidences से सोच रहे हैं कि अब कुछ नहीं हो सकता, so take Dr. Jyoti's advice. Start taking care of your skin. It will pay in longer run, and you can see the difference after you start taking care of your skin. So, going on to the next and kind of the least and last question is, Indian skin is prone to tanning, which is not good.
So how do I start?
Because tanning is, relatably, it's very, very common problem. Even if I be in the sun, even for 2 minutes, I get such a bad tan on my face, on my exposed area. So I am really irritated by this tanning of my skin. So is it good or bad?
Tanning is a defense mechanism of your skin, right? It is actually, like I said, your skin is your first line of defense. So आप धूप में जाके खड़े हुए, your skin becomes darker. That means your body is responding to the ultraviolet rays falling on it, right? If you don't want it to tan, you apply a sunscreen, so you have another protective layer on top of that. But having said that, I think we as Indians take our skin for granted way too much. 10 girls coming to my clinic every day, they will just say, 7 of them will always say, Doctor, my skin is very sensitive, isse kuch reaction to nahi hoga na. Will this suit me? I want to bring this to your notice. Indian skin is one of the best skins to have. We have the right amount of pigment, we have just the right amount of thickness, we have just the most gorgeous gene when it comes to our facial skeleton. I think we have no reason to complain, right? And tanning is a defense mechanism. We are so lucky that we have it. The number 1 cause for cancer in America is skin cancer. The number 1 cause for casualties. And in India, we do not see it as often. Why? Because our melanin protects us. So if you don't like the tan, please make sure you use a sunscreen. But if you say that I don't like my skin color or my skin type, I think you just need to read a little more about it, and you just need to be a little more grateful for your genes, and you need to appreciate what you have, because what we have is beautiful, let me tell you.
Okay, so another myth debunked. So we are lucky to have Indian skin. So it is a way more protective than any other skin in the world. So be proud of it. And
Absolutely.
yeah. So going on further, and kind of the last question, and people they generally tend to ask that brightening treatment is only for brighter skin. I mean, that is only for the glow of your skin. It does nothing else, just brightens up your skin. So is that true that brightening treatment only does one thing, not the other things?
Like I said, brightening treatment helps you up your game when it comes to skin defense, because it's got multivitamins and it has anti-inflammatory properties. It hydrates your skin, most importantly. Brightening is a tangential benefit that you get out of it because of the basics that it is doing. So it's setting your base right. So it's like keeping your so whenever you want to make a painting, you have to have a clean canvas. So this is just going to set you at the right ground level. It is going to make sure that you have a beautiful canvas to prepare a great painting. It will make you brighter, softer, suppler, and probably the best version of yourself that you could ask for. I would say it is much more than just a brightening treatment. It's actually a more nourishing and a hydrating treatment along with brightening benefits.
Okay, and so डॉक्टर ज्योति ने आज इतने सारे मिथ्स डिबंक किए हैं, बस्ट किए हैं, और ये सारे के सारे सवाल हमारे दिल में, हमारे मन में कई बार कभी ना कभी जरूर आए होंगे. सो आई होप कि आपको अपने सारे सवालों का जवाब मिला होगा आज. ब्राइटनिंग ट्रीटमेंट के बारे में आपको काफी सारी नॉलेज भी मिली होगी, एंड प्लस स्किन केयर के बारे में आपको ये भी पता चला होगा कि स्किन केयर इज अ रूटीन. ये कभी कभार करने वाली चीज नहीं है, इट्स अ रूटीन. सो जो रोज किया जा सकता है और करना चाहिए. सो इसी के साथ आज के सेशन में we are moving towards the end, and we are so happy to have you, Dr. Jyoti, and we are so lucky to have you on this platform of beauty and care powered by SF9 today. And we know that you are a celebrity dermatologist and a lot of accolades and a lot of titles you have under your name. And we are so lucky that in the Vestige family we also have so many powerful women who are associated with us, and we are glad that another powerful personality is now associated with us. And as Vestige, as Mistral of Milan, as SF9, we believe in taking women ahead in their careers, in their vigor, in their whatever they want to do, and be there for them. So a female from another female to all the other females, and it is not only for the women over here, it is also for the gentlemen over there, that they have been very, very supportive for this whole family. And having said that, I would like Dr. Jyoti, another very strong, very powerful female who is on our panel, to say something about, anything, skincare or anything, because for all the women, everyone is an inspiration. And for our platform, definitely, we would like you to say something.
I would just like to tell you all one thing, that what we learn in crisis is going to help us in times of comfort. So whatever we learned in these last 3 months, I think will help us have a better lifestyle going forward. And like you beautifully said, Asna, when women support women, incredible things happen. And I think we are going to be just looking forward on this journey, and I'm so looking forward to helping you all in more ways than one. And we will definitely try and do all that we can to give you your best possible self. Thank you once again for having me. Thank you for saying such beautiful things, and I can't wait for the next one. Thank you.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much, Dr. Aneja. And definitely, ladies and gentlemen, keep watching this space. for the next very interesting session with Dr. Jyoti Aneja. And here's the buys from our side. And thank you so much. Thank you again, Dr.
Thank you so much, and until next time, bye bye. Take care. Thank you.